In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Glorious Model O software. So just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open Google or any browser, and in the search bar, type Glorious Model O software. Now, from the search results, make sure you click on the official Glorious website, which should be gloriousgaming.com, and look for the Legacy software section. Now, once the page opens, you'll see an option called Glorious Core V1, but this is not the one you want because it does not support Model O. Now, what you want to do instead is scroll down until you find Model O/Model D Wired. Now, under that section, click on Model O Wired Software. Now, once you click it, the software will start downloading automatically. Now, after the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder. Now, right-click on the downloaded zip file and click Extract All, then click Extract. Now, open the new folder that appears. Now, inside this folder, you'll see multiple files, and the first thing you should do is open the README file. Now, inside the README, it will tell you that you must install the firmware update first before running the software. Now, go into the Firmware Updater folder, double-click the Firmware Updater, and follow the on-screen instructions to update your mouse. Now, once the firmware update is complete, go back to the main folder and open the Software folder. Now, double-click the setup file to install the Glorious Model O software. Now, follow the installation steps, and once it's done, the software will open and your mouse will be detected. And that's it! You have successfully downloaded and installed the Glorious Model O software. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.